Excellency, 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 auto beauty.
Hey, this is Andrew. My dad left the sunroof open, and then next week I had a moldy car, and the team at Excellency really took care of me. They took their time, they did it right. The car smells great. It's looking beautiful. I think this is the cleanest I've seen my car since I had it. And I can't recommend Excellency enough if you have any cleaning needs or anything like that.